Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making perfectly soft and chewy lemon cookies. We need 170 grams unsalted butter, 60 grams light brown sugar, 40 grams granulated sugar, 300 grams all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, then also 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, the zest of 1 lemon, and 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, as well as 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. First, melt the butter and then place it in a bowl until cooled. Now we're going to whisk the flour, baking soda, and powder and salt together. Once the butter has cooled, add both the sugars and whisk them in. Now we're going to add the vanilla extract and the egg and egg yolk, as well as the lemon zest and juice. Whisk to combine. Now sift in the flour mixture and fold until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Cover in plastic wrap and set into the fridge for an hour. Now we're going to scoop out tablespoon-sized portions of the dough, roll them into balls, and roll each ball in granulated sugar to coat lightly. This will ensure a slightly crisp exterior. Place them on a baking sheet and bake for 9 to 15 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius until the edges are set and slightly golden. The centers might look underbaked. Enjoy!